So you're going to take out your clay and add some lotion. I was kind of struggling here because the lotion was being kind of stubborn, but I kind of got it to work. So yeah, just going to add it, see if I can add it a little more. Man, you can ignore that part. So now you're going to knead it. If you're going to add a lot as me, just know that it's a lot. So yeah. This is related to my other slime video about clay. Now you're going to add in shaving cream. Like, there are some differences, because like you're adding shaving cream, and there's going to be another ingredient. So yeah. Oh yeah, okay. My hands look like a mess. They're like a mess. Like the table's a mess. It's going to clean my hands because like my hands are just really so dirty after that. But so yeah. Okay, guys, I don't think you noticed that I'm doing a voiceover right now. And if you did not know that, sometimes you may think that whenever I'm doing a voiceover, I'm just doing, yeah, I'm talking on my own. In some videos I'm doing that, but sometimes I don't. And now I'm going to add in shampoo. There you go. I'm using Johnson's. You can get it at any store. Okay, so now I'm just going to knead it. And oh my gosh, I made a mess with the shampoo. Why does the shampoo look like water? I don't know. Like, I was kind of thinking that my hands would get all soapy. Like, really, like, this is the first time I've talked, like, straight. Like, I'm not, stuttering really a lot. I'm just talking straight. So, yeah. It's really cool slime. Okay, I'm just going to clean my hands with that. Yeah, and it's really you have slime. This is really cool. I'm just gonna, and also, it's just really stretchy now, because it wasn't that stretchy. You can kind of poke it, but it won't make any sounds. Like, yeah, and then you can also drizzle it. And yeah, I don't know why it took forever. Like, yeah, I kind of had to, yeah. Okay, this is weird. Like, it looks like glue, to be honest. Like, it looks like glue, but just when you start eating it, it ruins all the glue effect. So, yeah. This is really cool. Because it's, yeah, it looks a lot like glue. Speaking for the, like, color and all. And the looks, and it's all, well, like white, so yeah. Okay, so yeah, it's getting cool. Okay, this is really sticky slime, because supposing I added a lot. Bye, guys.